guys, it's Crafternoon time. Welcome back. So, I made a silly thing, and last week I forgot to tell you how to put the picture in the frame that we made. So if you guys got the craft for last week, you put the picture in the back and you tape it in and you tape it on the frame. I know, silly me, I forgot that part, right? So, guess what we're doing this week? We're doing a peacock. I know, I love peacocks. They're so pretty. They have all those amazing colors. Okay, so what I have for supplies are white glue. I've got a white pen, black pen. You could use crayon, you could use marker, you could use pencil. This just happens to be what I have. And what you're gonna get at the desk is a little baggie with a white piece of paper, and it's gonna have like all your cutout different size hearts and your body and a white piece of paper to build your peacock on. So I started on my peacock because it has lots of different heart shapes and sizes. So let's get started and show you how to put this together. So what my tip would be is to start on the top here and start layering down. So that's what I did. And you have all these different size hearts. And so to give them some dimension, I am actually folding the heart in half like that. So you do it on those. And then I am actually putting it on the inside where the crease is for the glue. And then I am pushing it down on the paper. So it looks like it's got a little bit of dimension, which is pretty cool. So what's nice is there are all kinds of different size hearts. So we've got these big ones, kind of medium, small, and with these medium like type ones, I am not folding them, I'm just putting glue on the very tip of the heart, and then I am sticking them in wherever I think I want that color. So you could layer them in the middle, you could layer them on top, it's just totally up to you. It's pretty cool, huh? So we've got really pretty colors. And I'm just pushing down on the glue to get it to stay there. It's going to take a few minutes just because white glue always takes a few minutes to dry, right? And then here's my body. And what's really cool is I kind of like started wide and then came down to a narrow. And then I'm going to put my body right here. And then attach him to the hearts. He's pretty cool, huh? So with my black pen, I am gonna put his eye little eyelashes. What do you think? And then his little feet. And then with my white, and this is totally optional, it's so up to you guys, I'm gonna put like white lines in some of my hearts. Like that, just to kind of put white in there. I'm going to alternate sides. Okay, and then just go through and put white wherever I think would be cool. So you could do marker with this, you could do crayon. It's really cool looking. Just gives it like, I think it gives it a 3D effect. I like stuff that has dimension. And then I saved my little tiny hearts. I'm gonna do a dab of glue. I saved one of each color just because. This is totally optional if you guys want to do this, because like there's no wrong way to do this, which is cool. It's all about how you want to make your peacock. And then I'm going to put my little tiny hearts on my peacock body. So, oops, maybe we should make him a mouth, huh? Let's do like a half circle here because he's smiling. Isn't that cool? Okay, guys, this is our peacock for the week. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.